Use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. And pull the wheel off. Take these two bolts out, take the caliper off. We'll use a 13mm socket. Loosen those up. Now grab the caliper and just rock it back and forth. Slide it out. Then use a brake caliper hanger and just hang it from the coil spring. Make sure there's no tension on the brake hose. You don't want to rip the brake hose. Take the brake pads off, just slide them out. Now take the brake caliper bracket off, take these two bolts out, use a 21mm socket. Now slide the bracket off. And if there's a screw holding this on, you have to take that screw out. Normally it's a T30. Slide that off. On the hub, you want to clean up some of the rust. You can use a wire brush or a die grinder. Just be careful, don't take off too much material. Now just take some anti-seize and give it a nice thin coat. Take the brake rotor, put it on backwards first. Take some brake parts cleaner and wash the back side of the rotor down. And flip it around. Make sure you line that hole up with the threaded hole on the hub. Just like that. And if you have that screw, you can install that screw. I'm just going to put a lug nut on for now. And then wash this side. Now we're going to clean up the caliper bracket. Take a straight blade screwdriver. Just take these pad clips off, or anti-rattle clips. Take a wire brush and clean up some of the rust right here. Take some brake caliper grease, nice thin coat. Take a new pad clip. Slide in position, and do the same for the other side. Now take the caliper slide pins out and wipe them off. Use a little brake parts cleaner. If there's any corrosion in here, you can clean out in the hole. Use a little brake parts cleaner in there. You can use a little wire brush as well, or a rag. Clean some of that out. Put a little brake caliper grease on there. Just make sure this is dried out. And reinstall the pin. And make sure you seal it against the rubber. That's all the way around. Do the same on the other one. Now on the pad slides, just put a nice thin coat of grease. And do that same on the other side. Now slide the brake caliper over the rotor, the bracket over the rotor, and put the bolts in. Now torque these bolts to 129 foot-pounds. Install the brake pads, just slide them in position. Take the brake caliper, you can take the hanger off. We're going to compress the pistons. You can take an old brake pad. Use a caliper compressing tool. And just go nice and slow. As you compress the pistons in the caliper, it's going to push the brake fluid through the hoses, through the lines, and back up into the master cylinder. Just go nice and slow. Now put the caliper over the brake pads. And slide the bolts in. And torque the bolts to 47 foot-pounds, and make sure you torque the top bolt first. And then the bottom one. Now if you put one of the nuts on, take that off at this time. And put the tire on. Line it up. Put the lug nuts on. Now torque the lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. And just go around again, double check. After you're done, make sure you pump the brake pedal nice and slow. There's going to be an air gap between the brake caliper piston and the brake pads, so you want to eliminate that air gap. And double check the fluid level and adjust accordingly.